Be a detective to solve the mystery of chemistry.
Hello guys, today we learn about the first order reaction of chemical kinetics. If a reaction rate depends on a single reactant and the value of exponent is 1, then the reaction is said to be first order reaction. That means if we take a reaction A to P product, okay, then the rate equals to R equals to K into A to the power 1. That 1, that means it is a first order reaction. Next, we learn about the integrated rate law of first order reaction. So we take firstly a reaction A to P product. At time t equals to 0, the initial stage or initial concentration of A equals to A and P is 0. We taking the unit L is mole per liter. Okay. After time t equals to T, concentration of A decreased by x mole per liter. Okay. Then the concentration of A equals to A minus x and the concentration of product is x. Now we write the rate R equals to minus dA by dt is equation number 1, and we also add down dR equals to K into concentration A to the power 1, equation number 2. Now 1 2 is same, so we can write minus dA by dt equals to K into A. Okay, now we can write minus d of A minus x by dt so K equal into A. Now minus dA by dt plus dx by dt equals to K into A minus x. Okay, concentration of A is A minus x. Now the dA dt equals to 0. Why? Now initial concentration A is always constant, so we can write dx by dt equals to K into A minus x. Now from dx by dt equals to K into A minus x, dx by A minus x so K into dt. Now integrate both sides, time 0 to t and concentration 0 to x. Then if we integrate both sides, then we get ln 1 by A minus x 0 to x equals to kt 0 to t. Then we get ln 1 by A minus x minus ln 1 by A equals to kt. Then we get ln A by A minus x so kt. This is the integrated form of first order reaction, ln A by A minus x so kt. Now if we take the initial concentration equals to A0 and after time t equals to t, final concentration At, then x equals to A0 minus AT. Okay. Now X equals to A minus AT, implies that A minus X সমান AT. Now from equation 4 we can write ln A0 by AT সমান KT. Okay, it is also a integrated form of first order reaction. Okay, next we learn about the half life of a first order reaction, in which time the concentration of reactant is half of its initial concentration is called half life. Okay, so as per formula, KT equals to ln A0 by AT, K into T half equals to ln A0 by A0 by 2, T half equals to ln 2 by K, that is equals to 0.693 by K. T half equals to, for first order reaction, 0.693 by K. If I draw a graph about T half versus A, we get a parallel line to A, because T half does not depends on A. T half does not depend on A. That means does not depend on initial concentration. Okay. Last, we saw the graphical representation, concentration versus reactants of versus time, reactants के concentration versus time. Okay, तो कौन सा फॉर्मूला लेंगे? ln A0 by AT equals to KT. Okay, that means concentration A0 versus T, that is A0 by AT equals to e to the power KT. Now A0 equals to AT into e to the power, sorry, KT. Okay, so it is a parabola. The graph is parabola. Okay, it is an important graph. Now we saw हम एक और ग्राफ देखेंगे. ln A by A0 by AT versus time. Okay, we note that ln A0 by AT equals to KT. That one is ln A0 equals to Y equals to AMX plus C. In this case, C equals to 0. So if we take the graph ln a0 by at versus t, the graph will be straight line and passing through the origin. Okay, straight line passing through the origin. Okay, so lastly we get the first formula ln a by a minus x equals to kt. Second, we get ln a0 by at equals to kt. We can write from them ln a0 minus ln at সমান kt, and hence ln a0 সমান ln at plus kt. It is also a formula for mathematics. Okay, so happy learning. Thank you.